Hello. Aravalis, the oldest mountain, boldest mountain, formed almost 250 to 350 crores years back. This is not some UP or Bihar. This is not some coastal plains which are been forming every day. The oldest mountains of the world, 350 crores years back mountains that you are talking about. So how can they be young? They are old. When they are old, they'll be bold. They'll be broken down into pieces. That's the reason you have deserts. We'll see relation between Aravalis and deserts and how these Aravalis are formed and everything in this video. Welcome to Shikara Academy. So Aravalis are very prominent mountain systems in the northwest India. So they extend like from northeast to southwest. So from Delhi, from Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. So like 4 states they'll be. Okay. Near Palanpur, near Gujarat is the southernmost point. Delhi is the northernmost point. Okay. This is one thing. And now you can look at here how they have been extended. How they have been extended. Okay. Now, so they are 250 to 350 crores years back, 2.5 to 3.5 billion years. Okay. Oldest fold mountains. They're collision of cratonic blocks. So we have this particular Aravali block and uh, Western Madhya Pradesh block. These two blocks have been collided, have led to the formation of Aravalis. Same like Himalayas collided with Eurasia. I mean, like India collided with Eurasia, resulted to the formation of Himalayas. We have this uh, Western block, Eastern block that have been formed. Okay, so this Western block, Bundelkhand and Marwar, which have been collided, led to the formation of mountains called Aravalis, which is a complex orogenic belt. And they have been collided and they have been stuck. Right now, if India moves, this particular mountains also moves. Once upon a time, both are different. The west and east, the Bundelkhand and Marwar collision happened. Now they are locked, intertidal locking system, orogenic belt, complex locked. Now this whole mountain itself is moving towards with India. As India is moving 5 centimeters every year, this block also moving. Okay. So the range consists mainly of metamorphic rocks, granite, gneiss, schist, and later additions of marble, quartzite, sandstone. So we have sedimentary rocks, we have metamorphic rocks. Near Jodhpur, we have igneous rocks. So three types of rocks will be there. Metamorphic rocks are there, like granite, gneiss, schist are there. Later added by the marble, quartzite, and sandstone. So see, sandstone and all is like sedimentary rock. Marble is like metamorphic rock. Granite, like there are all different types of rocks. All different types of rocks. Not just metamorphic, dude. Metamorphic is there. Igneous is there. This is a combination of everything I have written here. Metamorphics are there. Igneous are there. And igneous rocks. Igneous rocks in Rajasthan? Yes, Jodhpur, as I said, southern Jodhpur. Okay. Over millions of years, once the great mountains have eroded and left with only small peaks. See, the Malani volcanic eruption about 750 million years ago. Okay, so 75 crores years back, this near to the south of Jodhpur, a big volcanic eruption happened. It was lasted for more than 40-50,000 years. Okay, see how much big block of this. This is the region I'm talking about. This region is a volcanic eruption. Okay, so in this is a rift. This is like a rift valley, not just exactly rift, but it looks like a rift valley, right? So this Melanigneous region, Melanigneous region is where this magma comes out, mantle comes out. We have magma plume. This is also UPSC question. What is magma plume? UPSC question. It is UPSC question. Okay. And Aravali is extended to Delhi. Delhi is a UPSC question. This you won't find in regular books. Aravali's characteristics, minerals, mountains, peaks. Sorry. This will be there in normal books. But what is not there in the normal books is what will be there in UPSC. So mantle plume will be there below this Jodhpur. That's the reason it was asked in UPSC. Okay. So it will be coming up. Okay. It will be coming from the lower levels of asthenosphere to the upper levels. It was there for almost 50,000 years. The volcano keep on erupting. Nowadays, once we see this Mount Etna erupting, or maybe Shankoku Islands erupting in Japan, we feel like, oh my god, these many eruptions, these fellows are lucky, these fellows are unlucky to see this. but India has bigger than that. That's the reason India is a different country, different continent together. We should make it as a different continent, frankly to say. So Aravali is divided into two main sections. One is Sambar Sirohi region, which is like southern region, which is like very high region. Aravalis are like this. Okay, this is like Guru Shikar peak, wala. Right? Sambar region, Sirohi region, Sambar region, K3 region. Before thing is a very discontinuity, and backside mountains are very strong mountains like this here. Okay, this is like Sambar, not Tamil Nadu Sambar, or Andhra, Karnataka Sambar. This is mountain Sambar. Okay, so this is one thing, and this portion here, this portion is here, is what divided. So in the upper regions, the height is very much. In the lower regions, height is very small. Okay. So the range acts as a natural barrier separating the Thar Desert from the plains and to the eastern Rajasthan. It's like now how they are. If these are the mountains, if we get southwest monsoon like this, one will be deflected towards Pakistan, one will be deflected and given rainfall here and given to this particular Himalayas. So here no rainfall. Okay, no rainfall, deserts. No rainfall, deserts. No rainfall for millions of years later. The erosion and deposition and breakdown and weathering leads to the deserts. Okay, Mount Abu is not only the highest point but also famous for Dilwara temples here, southern portion I'm talking about. Good rainfall. Now, as you can look at here, so Sambar region to K3 region, this is one thing. Sambar region to Mewar Plateau is other thing. Okay, this is one more thing. And ecological things, look at it. Ecological hotspot, various flora, fauna, Great Indian Bustard, and Bengal fox, Indian wolf. So many animals were there. So many animals were there. Okay, in and around this western part of Aravalis also, there are so many animals. Okay, and as a Sariska Tiger Reserve, let me show you this tiger reserves. So this is Sariska Tiger Reserve. This is Kilodiyo Wildlife National Park. This is Ranthambore. Okay. This is Daraj. Look at this mountains, dude. Look at these mountains. In the south, they are so vast. In the north, they are very small. As I said, Sambar to K3, they are very narrow. From Sambar to Mewar region, they are very wider. Okay, this is very, very important. Now, in Shikara Academy, we have mains answer writing foundation course, which we have live classes, study material, evaluation, plus feedback will be there. And Shikara Academy was founded in 2015 by Deepika Reddy madam. And this academy received recipient of the prestigious Telangana State Formation Day Award for various competitive exam, which 1000 plus successful candidates were there. And we are starting with a new batch on 23rd, 2025. That is mains answer writing foundational bootcamp 2025. So it is a 30 power packed live sessions. This is not complete test series, but how to write answers is what we'll be discussing here. So daily answer writing, personalized feedback, IBC intro, body, conclusion thing, integrated diagrams will be there, data and ethics tools, and everything, what not. Right, it used to be 1500, but reduced it to 749. But for a limited time, we got we are making it only for 499. So don't miss this opportunity. Okay. If you want any doubts, 7702026769 is the number. And this is the schedule that we will be following from 23rd June. Okay, what day, what is the topic, what is the class time, 7:30, 8:30, this is where generally the class time is. What are the things that we are going to focus here. Okay, and these are the things. Look at it, 21 days, 30 days, every day we have this fixed schedule. So we have toppers in UPSC CSC 2024 from all India rank 8, 34, 41, 57, 59, 96, 105, 114 and 121. Okay. Along with that, this is a limited time offer, so please hurry up. So I'm now going to the Rajasthan part, hydrological significance. Okay. So we have rivers, Banas River, Sahibi River, Luni River, Sabarmati River. So it flows through Rajasthan and tributary of Chambal, Banas River, because Chambal is a badland, because of this Banas River only. And Sahibi River, it passes through Haryana, Rajasthan, merges into Yamuna, and this is north flowing river. North is Sabihi is a north flowing river. Banas is a left flowing river. Luni is a left flowing river. Sabarmati is like a, southwest left flowing river. But Sahib is a right flowing river. Lakes such as Naki Lake in Mount Abu, one of the famous lakes, Amber Lake near Jaipur is also linked to this particular region. Okay, so look at this. There are so many rivers. If this is Aravalis, we have various other rivers. Okay, Luni rivers and Bandi rivers, Banas rivers, Sabarmati river, as you can see, right? Debar Lake. Okay, these are the rivers which are going to the north towards Yamuna. Betwa, for example, but Betwa will be like to the east of Rajasthan. Betwa, Sindh, Khalistan. This will be different. But I'm talking about northern part. Northern part. Okay, so right, these are the things. And economic importance, as you know, we have copper, zinc, lead, marble, granite, mica, and we have copper. Right, copper is K3 mines are very famous. Okay, I think I have already shown you. This K3 mines, K3 hills. Okay, they're very famous. Now look at the next part. And we have great forts. Great Indian Bustard is a bird which is critically endangered. Naki Lake in Mount Abu is very famous for tourism. And Mehergarh Fort in Jodhpur is also one of the ancient volcanic. I said you how this fort was formed. It is a volcanic eruption fort. So don't miss. It's a very great place, and Rajasthan is also a very great place for tourism point of view. If you want to learn about India together, go to Rajasthan. We have igneous rock, we have metamorphic rock, we have sedimentary rock, we have the old hills, we have the new hills. Of course, we don't have new hills. We have old hills, we have deserts, we have driest places, we have forest, we have hill stations, what not, dude. We have everything in Rajasthan. So pack your bags to Rajasthan. Thank you.